Load your family into the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a power liftgate, skid plates, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call